Guys, welcome to day 2 of 2020 Perfect Product Vision video series. Did you miss that insane tip from yesterday where we talked about dollars from keywords and reviews and how to find those awesome blue ocean open opportunities on Amazon to find that perfect product? If you missed that, you're missing out. You've got to go back and watch that video. But we have video 2 right now ready for you guys. What's on that, Darren?
Yeah, video 2 is all about differentiation. Essentially just how to create a better product than anything that's out there in your niche. Basically, start to finish, we're gonna show you how to create the best products possible, and we're doing that with a little bit of help from a special guest who we're really excited to share with you. Jump into the video because you're gonna be excited with who we brought in for this one.
Yeah, guys, so follow along, take on that challenge to follow along and pick your own perfect product and think about how you can differentiate it. Post your questions. We're going to be doing some live Q&A. Share it with your friends. There's prizes to be won. Get in there, watch it. This is what you need to know in order to beat your competition going into 2020. You've got to watch it right now. Get into video 2. Just click on the link below. We'll see you there.
Yeah, and just in case you missed video 1, when you're watching video 2, you'll have the option to go back and watch the first video. Please do that because like John said, there's some pretty crazy nuggets in there. And guys, every share and comment on any post surrounding the 2020 PPV enters you a chance to win some pretty cool prizes that we'll be announcing shortly.